Here we are at Dreambuilders in Monroe, Washington. It's a huge car show, and sorry about the loud band behind me, but we're gonna go around and look at a bunch of cars right now. So here we go. Right here, everybody knows what that is, right? Lamborghini Aventador, Mercedes C63, old Toyota, Supra all tricked out. Lots of cool cars here. Tesla P90D. Got a Hellcat Durango right there. The Cancer Foundation here. Look at this Project Hemi Superbird 1970 R-Code Mopar. This thing is super cool. Now back in the day, you had one of these things, you were the cool kid on the block for sure. Right next to it we got the Roadrunner Superbird. Right next to here we have an amazing Hemi Cuda, Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Just amazing. So over here is like the Mopar section, and we're gonna go walk over here real quick. There's tons of stuff here. There's a burnout contest here, and then there's like a track attack that's going on where they're setting times and going through cones and stuff. But we're gonna look at some cars here. Charger Hellcat, it's all fixed up. On air ride, look how low this thing is to the ground here. Here's a I think I saw the sign right here. It's a 1973 Opel. Super nice. It's a classic here. Aftermarket carbon fiber bumpers on this thing. That's a super cool car for sure. We got some old Volkswagen Beetles here. This right here got the flames on it. Who doesn't like a nice bug? 1976 Volkswagen Bug. People bring here 1984 Accord, all original. Everybody had one of these back in the day.
Hair dye that I got.
Factory blue interior. We got this little thing. I don't really call that a little buggy. Bad to the bone, 32 Ford Highboy Roadster. With a 71 LS6 motor in it, 454. Look at that thing. This thing is cool. Got a Daytona Charger over there. Got some cool Ram trucks in here. Got some old square bodies here, Chevy square body. Square body crew. Another Charger Hellcat. C10 Chevy here. Mustang. And Hemi Challenger over here. We got cool dogs around here.
Yeah, no, you gotta get some. But all the Shelby suspension steering is pretty sweet. It steers like, it doesn't lean, it's awesome. What year is it? It's a 65. I've done the same thing to my other ones. I used to have these coupes. I do the full Shelby suspension. And it doesn't lean. It just...
65 Mustang. Fastbacks.
Nice looking, man. Beautiful car.
Over here we got the Mopar section. Hellcat Durango. That's pretty cool. That's a grocery getter for you right there, like 700 horsepower. Grocery getter. The show was a lot more packed last year, but it was raining this morning, so I think it probably really scared a few people away. But we're gonna cruise around here. Cool Jeep Wrangler. Little Pink Panther hanging out of the Challenger right there. Here's an old Impala here. Convertible. Looks like they've been working on it a little bit. What year is this? Doesn't say, but I'm guessing like 69 or something. We got a Chevelle SS. Super nice. 1970 Chevelle SS. Super cool. Look at the STI with the big wide body kit on it. Look at the dual exhaust on the back. I think it's crazy. Here we got a 67 Plymouth Belvedere. And back in the day when you could work on motors, you know, nowadays it's all like just like filled full bunches of different emissions and electronics and all that stuff. Back in the day when you could work on motors. This right here. Got a supercharger in there. Pro Charger, supercharger on this guy right here. Challenger. Got some nice wheels and tires on it. I bet you this thing probably gets up and scoots pretty good. More Chargers and Challengers. We're just gonna walk around here some more. This thing's nice right here. Little Bronco. We got old Plymouth Valiant 100. Oh, this thing's nice too. Beautiful. Supersonic.
Black rims.
Let's go back and look at this guy real quick.
And you don't have to do the spacers, Dad. You can get it right offset.
Oh, that's nice.
Remember I put the spacers in there?
Got some more Chargers here, but look at this on air ride. Look how low that guy is. Carbon fiber hood. Look at these big wheels on here. 3-piece wheels. Those things are sick. BC forged. Those are super nice. .4 liter 392 Hemi, tuned at 444 horsepower. It says here. Full air ride, lots of carbon fiber on it.
Okay, my sister already took pictures.
We got 350Z, got carbon fiber, lots of carbon fiber fenders, side skirts, carbon fiber steering wheel, seat belts, carbon fiber rear diffuser, full air ride in there with a crazy sound system. Another 350 here with the airlift on it, crazy stereo system. Sounds like they're gonna have the burnout contest coming up here soon. Here's a BRZ. It's crazy here. You can play Nintendo in the back of this guy here. This is a minivan that has full, it's like sitting on the ground, full custom interior. This is van culture. That's cool. Custom cup holders, carbon fiber hood. I don't even know if you can fit a finger underneath this thing. It sits right on top of the ground. This is a Toyota 2015 Toyota Senna. Slammed on the ground. Crazy stuff. We're gonna keep on going here. Here's a cool Nissan V8 Titan all beefed up. Big old Ram. I hear the cops coming for somebody. Are they coming here? This is the new Ram TRX. This thing is a bad mama jamma here. Nice truck. tricked out Nissan Cube. Cool little Toyota lowrider here. Slammed onto the ground. Look at that. Old school. You could actually work on it. 1979 Toyota. This one right here is a pimped out Tesla. Carbon fiber everything. Air ride. Oh God. This is a Tesla. Look at all this carbon fiber inside this thing. This thing is sick. With the vertical doors on there.
You see this Tesla?
It's on back.
You got lights inside the wheel well. This thing is pimped out. License plate says excellence. Tesla. Nice. Look at custom diamond tucked floor mats.
It's 2022.
Airless suspension. Custom front suspension. Okay. He's trying to get the board book out.
2022.
You're good. You're good. I'm trying to help you.
This thing, it says this carbon fiber everything on here.
Carbon fiber, everything.
He says, what do you want, carbon fiber? He said yes. And they said okay.
Yeah, the Lamborghini conversion. It's not
And it says
That's cool.
Lambo.
Full PPF wrap on it. That thing's wild. Cool little bike here.
Okay.
Old school 2000 Chevy Camaro. Now that's starting to become a classic 2000. That was 22 years ago. You can almost get collector plates on this almost in another 3 more years. R32 VR6. Fast little VW here, 2004. 1976 Chevy Camaro. I had a 74 that was pumpkin orange. It looked real similar to this. Only had it about 3 months and someone pulled out in front of me and it got wrecked. 68 C10. Beautiful engine bay here.
Yeah, you really want that truck right there. The Dark Knight. Dad wants the Dark Knight.
We got an old school Subaru here.
Dad, you want the Dark Knight.
1986
Dark Knight. Don't
Subaru XT Turbo.
My dad wants this truck. The Dark Knight. Okay. How?
1995 RX-7. You don't see these on the road anymore either. These are pretty rare. And this thing right here. Look at this.
This truck's name is Bear.
This kid's over here is like, Mom, check this out. Mom, look at this. 67 Dodge Coronet 440. Truck called the Dark Knight. That thing looks pretty cool. Looks kind of mean looking. Here, got its own winch set up. It gets stuck, pull itself out. Another big truck, F350 Super Duty.
Look at this.
A bunch of lights underneath it. Big old Ram. Another big Ram here. Old Toyota Celica, 1985. Now this one right here, you can get collector plates for it. 1993 Nissan Skyline GTR, most likely imported. It's over 25 years old, so you can import this in the United States. Mustang 5.0, old school F350, 1975 Ford F350 crew cab. Oh yeah, Camaro Z28. This thing is cool. 1979. Look at the interior. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good stuff there. Mustang.
Made it through it.
It's cool. Looks like a work in progress right here. 1966 Ford F100. GTO. There's a lot of people that fix these Pontiac GTOs up. These things get a lot of horsepower. You put a little bit of money into them and you can get a lot of horsepower out of these old GTOs.
Yeah.
Old Corvette. This is a C4, I believe. 4th generation. 1993. All back in the day too. This thing is still really cool, but old TR6 Triumph. $1972. Old El Camino here. Shelby Mustang. We're almost ending this road. Nice Cadillac V-Series here.
Badass. It's over here by itself, but you can definitely.
We're gonna go down the next row here. We got some Mustangs in here, more Corvettes. Chevy C10 over there. We're gonna try to get through all this in this video here, so stay tuned. Another Corvette here. 2005 Corvette. Oh, who likes hydraulics? 3-wheel motion here. I wouldn't trust it, but the candy apple, just a flake in the paint job here. Old school. You got a chain there so it doesn't go too far when he does the 3-wheel motion. All these batteries in the back here. All these pumps, got 3 pumps and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 battery setup. Oh, that's cool. Gran Torino Sport with a Cobra Jet motor. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. We're gonna try to get as much stuff as we can here. Pressure 300 all slammed out. Another. This is S3 with a white body on it. Audi. For sale if anybody. 2016 Audi S3. Super slammed air ride. Another Tesla all tricked out. This right here, I heard this thing start up earlier and it freaking, the whole cart shook. 1959 Nash Rambler.
Yeah, I kind of want to get down.
5.3 liter Vortec. Oh, this thing is cool.
Sounds great, but
It's a car show. It's show it off, man. You don't ride it all the time.
No.
Well,
no.
Old AMC Javelin here. 1969. This Charger right here, I saw this earlier. This thing is freaking cherry. This thing is like mint. It's had a lot of work. 1969 Dodge Charger. This thing is beautiful. This thing is totally like restored and done up. I spent some money on this guy here. All brand new dash, all brand new interior. Huge rims in the back. Sound system.
Bodies are so long.
Dude, don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's the mini version. Let's go.
Another GTI R here. These things are pretty cool. Someone brought like a Equinox here. I don't know. There's nothing on it. Challenger, Chrysler 300, 75 Camaro. That thing's cool.
It looks like you have to hear about inspection.
I keep on saying that. 66 Dart GT.
Box. And I fixed 2 or 3 of them by just changing that.
STI, it's all fixed up. Mercedes, AMG. This right here, 34 make a model 44 as question mark. This is like just a bunch of stuff put together, kind of like a rat rod. Let's throw it together, make it work. Mustang here with the 289 in it. 67 Mustang with a 289. I had a 65 at one point. Myself a couple old Chevys there. 72 Chevy Nova. 350 small block in there. 17,000 original miles. This is crazy. I got 25,000 on my Corvette in 20 months. The Supra here is just a bunch of stuff. I don't even know what's going on here. One of one Chevy. Let's go read this thing here. Model K10 Chevy 4x4 pickup 1965 from Marysville. It says it's only one of one that exists. This thing is beautiful.
Handy and like quick, and they use a chrome shovel.
It says one of one. That thing is sick. I'm always a sucker for Corvettes. C3 for sale, 29,000.
See that guy again? He says, yeah, I got a lot of stuff in here. I need to get rid of it. About a year ago, he didn't know what he wanted to do. Oh, okay. Didn't say nothing.
Got a pretty nice 4Runner here. We're going to try to get to as much stuff as we can. Challenger. We should probably go down this other aisle over here.
He laughed.
It's a good workout for me walking around here in a fast pace like this. Burn off some of that lunch I had here. They get concessions in here. And the food is probably about a 5 out of 10. Not the greatest, but it's food.
Just before my time. When I moved back in here,
Oh, we got one more row right here to go down, actually, over here. There's a couple cool Corvettes in here that are pretty nice, so. These guys are like twinsies right here. A couple Grand Sports right here, C7 Grand Sports. Fast Times, Perfect Clothes, Truck Club, S10, Chevy S, 1982 Chevy S10 on full air right here. This truck right here is right on the ground. You can't even get a finger under it. This one has air ride too, of course. 66 F250. (1996) Toyota Tacoma slammed down to the ground, also sitting on the ground. There's another S10 on full hydraulic suspension. The wire rims. With sound system. Not hydraulic, this one's on air ride too. Or maybe it says hydraulics. So, no, these are hydraulic pumps here. So this is on full hydraulics too. Full custom suspension here. This thing is pretty cool.
Anybody plans on participating in the model pipe or burnout contest, make your way to the track at 2:30. Make your way towards the VIP.
Loud Loudest pipe contest in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna film here for about 10 more minutes. 280Z. Slingshot. GMC Typhoon. I used to want one of those so bad. The Shagan wagon is leaving. I wanted to get a video of that, but that Shagan wagon there, it has like crazy interior inside. It's like, I don't even know what you call it. It's like furry. The whole entire inside is like furry. But it looks like he's leaving, so we'll have to get that guy some other time on video. Here we got this huge excursion over here. Look how big this thing is. 2004 Ford Excursion. And that thing's probably, the top of that cage right there is probably 10 feet off the ground. I wonder what the mile per gallon on that thing is. 1958 buggy. That's cool.
Okay, I was gonna say, I thought that was the other
2010 Sierra GMC.
I was like, whoa.
Super huge wheels on it. Slammed down to the ground.
Yeah, that's weird. I thought it was just taking over.
1966 Chevelle.
And it has the correct number of pedals. If there's going to be a theme, Ford backed out, Honda backed out, Honda backed out.
And we go back to this truck right here. This thing's crazy. These wheels, they're like 30-inch wheels or some crap on here. Those things are gigantic. Old Redline Cruiser in here. Oh, that's cool. There's the buggy. Here's this Excursion. It has this crazy tow hitch on it. Breast cancer plates. Early detection saves lives. That's true.
I think he's concerned.
1931 Ford.
See how it works out. But they're relationship killers too. That's what it sounds to me like.
Here's the Chevelle. 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Looks in pretty good condition. That's nice.
Oh, nice.
1927 Ford Model T Runabout.
Hey man, we're gonna. Yeah, you too. Thanks again. Appreciate it. Yep.
It says Daddy's Girl right here.
He lost his in the sky and freaking took hers.
Studebaker.
She was screaming like crazy, so I was like, oh, dude, we have to go get him a second one.
1959 Studebaker. That thing's beautiful. This one has Hawaii plates on it. 1970 Volkswagen Squareback. Those are super rare. Brand new Suburban. I don't know why they have that here, but some other cool cars. This guy looks like he was spinning here in the dirt. This thing's like a 4-door 67 Impala 4-door hardtop. Guy looks like he was spinning in the mud here. It's like a drift car right here. I think he's gonna do some drifting later on. 37 Chevy Coupe. Funny car. This is a Dreambuilders car show in Monroe, Washington, 2022. You get raffle tickets here and you get to win all sorts of stuff. Igloos. You can win a Blackstone. Old Wagoneer. 1982 Jeep Wagoneer.
The last thing I remember was being ear deep in your legs. And I woke up the next morning icky, spanning from the top of
I don't know how many people cruise around there with their parents back in the 70s. Hellcat Durango. That thing's sick. GTR here.
So he has to live out.
Get the Tesla. This GTR right here has had a parachute set up on there. So usually when you have a parachute set up on it, usually it's pretty fast. So I don't know how fast it is, but I'm guessing it's really fast. We're gonna go look at the Aventador one more time, and there's a Viper right behind it. Aventador, supercar driven. YouTube, I don't know if you know these guys, but you should follow them on YouTube. They have like 110,000 subscribers now. They're doing big things. Supercar driven. You gotta follow them on YouTube. They're amazing. 97 Dodge Viper. We got some Mustangs back there. We got a Camaro ZL1 back there, a couple Lotuses here, the Corvettes, C8 convertible in an Elkhart Lake Blue. We got C7 Z06 here, and then this C8 in a ceramic matrix gray. These are all owned by these people back here, Paul and Sandy. And the C8, Rapid Blue C8, you guys already know that one's my car right here. You guys have probably seen this before. The only thing new with it is the carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber little bezel here. Still need to get a carbon fiber front lip installed. You got the tension blue and twilight blue interior.
No. Yeah, well, you just go to
Carbon fiber appearance package in the back. This is Paula's 458 Italia here. This car right here and this car right here, real equal in performance. This car right here, a third of the cost. This is Al's Corvette here. Supercharged, is super fast. Al Barto's 2002 Chevy Corvette Z06, but supercharged. This thing is like ridiculous fast. The band's packing it up for the night. GTR. Seahawks, blue like Seahawks, I do. Right here, Seahawks truck. It's pretty cool. This Eclipse right here, tons of carbon fiber. The whole front end is all carbon fiber. Fender, bumper, hood. WRX with a full wrap on it, pretty cool. 52 Chevy. There's a Charger heading out to the loudest pipes contest.
My appointment, I didn't be there at 5, so it's 6 o'clock. Yeah. And I'm like, motherfucker.
Hey, loudest pipes contest in like 2 minutes.
And then they wiggle.
No, loudest pipe starts at 2:30. Okay.
For like kids to hang out like during the summer and that kind of stuff.
Okay.
But we're kicking it off at the car show, so trying to bring awareness to
You can shut the trunk in front.
But that is literally
Okay,
like,
thanks.
like the coolest thing I've seen in a long time. That'll build some cool stuff. Like we had
2007
BMW.
Mini Cooper with custom wheels with a custom grill on it. Oh, that's cool. 1966 C10 pickup here. This thing is super clean. 2015 says factory 5. It's a Model 33 hot rod, so I think this is like a kit car. Tons of cool tricked out bikes here. There's a Harley Davidson trike here. I think some of these guys are going out for loudest exhaust contest. '13 Harley Davidson Street Glide. That thing is wild. So Bag It, Drag It Customs is the name of the shop here. I think these are all their bikes. Super awesome.
All right.
I'm running 4 for 3.5.
Cool Bronco. 4-wheel drive van there. In the weeds. This is a 2003 VTX 1300S Honda. This thing right here is just a bunch of 4x4 stuff. If you ever want to be an outdoorsy person, this is your setup right here. Me, not outdoorsy. The track is right over here. We're gonna go look at some other cars in this row over here.
He has a VA pack on.
They got a little beer tent here, kettle corn. 2000 BMW M Coupe.
Okay. Alright, let's head towards there.
78 Chevy Camaro. Purple.
We're heading towards the ramp and they're gonna have cars start driving to the center.
Oh yeah? That's awesome. I wish they got
A Jeep Grunt with lots of little stuff all over it. 56 Chevy pickup. So these guys are out here doing some attack trial stuff, going around a little track, fast I can. I should try that in the Corvette. This guy's going out for. These guys are out for loudest pipes. 66 Pontiac GTO. This thing looks like got some. This thing's been fixed up nice. 1950 Mercury.
I bet you Gary's still down here.
This guy right here is the guy that won the burnout contest last year. This guy right here, Pizza Planet. I think he might have the new wheels, the new tires that they gave him last year still on here. But he won the burnout contest. It was pretty sick. '66 Chevelle with a 427 with a Chevy 2. 1967 Chevy 2. pipe contest. 1956 Chevy 210. Chevy Bel Air. Chrysler Newport Custom, it says. Camaro. Definitely all fixed up and restored beautifully.
So they were factory 427s and 69.
69 Chevelle. '12 370Z, all carbon fiber pieces. Lots of carbon fiber everywhere. Nissan lowrider pickup. Once again, we're at Dreambuilders car show in Monroe, Washington. This is a Holden from Australia. You're allowed to import these. There's like some kind of rule that they can call it a Chevy Malibu or something, and they can import this. But this is a Holden, I believe. I could be wrong. It's a 2016 HSV Maloo R8 LSA. It says basically it's a Holden. Got popcorn, beer garden. We're going to get over here to look at some other vehicles over past here where I first came in.
One more. Make way for a car coming in.
Where are we headed?
This looks like some kind of Japanese car or something. I don't know what it is, but it is. 88 Alto Works IE Turbo. It's a 1991 Suzuki. This is a Jeep. This is the thing. I saw this pull in earlier when the car show first opened up, and this thing pulled in. The same tires on on the trailer, and it says Jeep there. Like, well done, well done. Chevy Camaro, 1968.
December, January, or what? Oh, probably March. And I said, nope. So now, I'm going to go down to
1970 Chevy Camaro Z28. This one's been some modifications, upgraded headlights, a bunch of carbon fiber bits on it, front splitter. Upgraded wheels and tires, of course. All the interior redone. Some nice. Look at this quad exhaust in the back. That's cool right there. Quad exhaust. Cool tricked out Harley Davidson here. We're gonna go look at this car right here. 1971 Dodge Charger Super Beat. Plymouth Prowler here. So once we get to the end of this right here, we're pretty much done with the looking at all the cars.
So how much I think last few, different pulses, whatever.
Toyota Supra Turbo, 1991. 39 custom Chevy Opera Coupe. Suicide doors with shaved handles. This thing is cherry too. Beautiful. Dodge Charger. Chevy Camaro SS. Nissan 300Z. So when one of my first jobs after I turned 18 was I worked at Nissan for like 3 months unloading these from the ships when they came from overseas. It was amazing. This is the 2022 Toyota GR86. Lowered and tricked out GTR right here. Nissan GTR. These things are badass, all-wheel drive, super fast. Got a race car thing. 2000 Lexus ISF. This is Kevin's car. Super nice. Kevin Schellenberger. Got the carbon fiber trunk on this guy. Now this right here won all sorts of awards. I think it was the same one from last year. But this one right here won like multiple awards at the show last year. I'm pretty sure this is the same one. Just that the paint on this is like flawless. So beautiful. This thing is super nice. This is a 55 Chevy wagon. That thing is beautiful. Okay, got a Hellcat here. I love Hellcats. Audi RS5. Mercedes G-Wagon. '96 Dodge Neon Sport Coupe. Hey, everybody has to have a car.
What he used to do and stuff.
Mustang. Challenger, and another Challenger, and that's it for, how long is this video now? 50 minutes to walk around this whole thing, and I was walking at a pretty fast pace. So if you want to stop and look at every car, you can spend about 2 hours here. But they have this every year, usually on Father's Day. It's Dreambuilders in Monroe, Washington. All this is for charity, and it's going to a little sign over here. It says Big Brothers and Big Sisters of Snohomish County. Last year they raised like, I think like $100,000 or something. But yeah. Anyways, we're gonna watch the loud pipe contest here in a minute, and this is it for this video.